Hello YouTubers and welcome to R90. In this tutorial I will show you a faucet, a site from which you can make more than 1000 Bitcoin Satoshis or any other cryptocurrency that you want to earn in one day. So the site is really interesting and you can earn a lot from this site. So without wasting time, let's get started. You can find the link to the site in the description. Click on the link and you will be on the site. So this is the dashboard of the site. It is loading, let it load. So this is the dashboard and here you can see a lot of coins are available, including Bitcoin, Batcoin, Blackcoin, Ethereum, Dashcoin, Digibyte and many others. You can request your withdrawal to FaucetPay, to Express Crypto and other payment processors are also available. You can see withdrawals are available for Coinbase and you can also request withdraw to blockchain to your direct address. You can also request withdraw to KS Wallet. Below it you can see the stats of how much they have paid, their days online, the users they have and total claims that are made on this site. So get started, click on the register button, fill in the blanks and register on the site. After you have successfully registered on the site, head in for the login. Here you can see after you register you will get 200 free claims to start your earning on this site instantly. So after you have registered, go to the main page, go to the login page and log into the site. This is the login page. So after you have registered, log into the site, provide your password, your username, fill the captcha and then hit the login button. The dashboard. In the middle you can see below your username you have your current level, your remaining duchy, the points that you will exchange for crypto coins and your level bonus. Below it is the progress bar and below are the coins that you will select when you are to start your earning, and below are the ways in which you can earn the tokens, auto claim tokens or the points that you will exchange later on. So the first one are the short links. There are 167 different short links available and you are getting 16,377 duchy coins in exchange for them. Below it is the fast short link. These will be completed instantly, and below are the offer walls. Then you can also view the ads. There are the achievements. Their contests are also available. You can also earn by doing social jobs. There is the toss game in which you will bet, the dice game, the roll game and the Ethereum coin roll game. So I will show you the short link. Click on the arrow in front of each option to start earning from that option. Scroll down and you will see all the available short links. I will show you one, that is DS Private 4. Click on the claim button. The short link will open in the new tab. Wait for the timer. After the timer is up, you will get the amount of claims that are written on the short link. The short link I am viewing is DS private 4, and I will get 100 Dutchy coins in exchange for completing the short link. The views that I have available for this short link are 4. Likewise, there are different short links available, and all of them have different amount of views that you can give on them. Here you can see a lot of them are available. So you can see that my Dutchy coins are 3632. After the timer is up, 100 Dutchy coins will be added to my main coins. Let us wait for it. Here you can see my all Dutchy tokens were 3632. After completing the short link, they are 3732. So in this way you can earn. You can also check the options from this B button that is available at the top. Click on it and you will see all the available options that you can use to earn. You can also choose the miner option that will let you earn without doing anything. All you have to do is keep the miner or tab open and it will automatically generate income for you. It will use your CPU power to generate income for you. So after you have earned the Dutchy coins that you want, go to the dashboard. After you are on the dashboard, scroll down. From the coins option, choose the coin that you want. I will choose Bitcoin. After that, below it is the option of the payment method. If you want your payments to be made directly to Express Crypto, choose the first option. For KS Wallet, choose the second option. But if you want to get a 10% bonus on each claim that you made, choose the balance mode. It will add all the coins that you earn to the balance on this site, and after that you can withdraw that balance to any of the preferred wallet that you want. After that you can withdraw that balance to any of the preferred wallet that you want. So I am choosing balance mode. After that, choose this anti-captcha. You have to choose the in this captcha I have to choose the Monero button. It is the first one, and then I will choose the start auto faucet. Here you can see my auto faucet is start. Now all I have to do is keep this tab open and it will automatically add balance to my account on this side. Here you can see 2.1 plus 0.2 plus 10% BTC was added to my balance. So to check your balance, click on your username at the top right corner. You can see your balance, the addresses, exchange, deposit, claim rates, your referrals, the settings, dashboard, and the logout button. The balance option will show you the balance that you have on this site. The addresses option will allow you to attach your wallet addresses on this site. Exchange option will allow you to exchange different coins on this site. Deposit option will allow you to deposit balance on this site. The claim rates will show you how much you are getting for each Satoshi, how much you are giving, how much coins you are giving for each Satoshi. So the main is Bitcoin. So here you can see 22.47 Dutchy. I am giving 22.47 Dutchy coins in exchange for 1 Satoshi. So here you can see my balance here on this side. I am only getting Bitcoin from this side. So here you can see my balance in Bitcoin is 1249.2 Satoshis, and the minimum requirement is 250 Satoshis. You can see the status of the site's wallet that will help you in withdrawing from the site. If the status is green, then means that you can withdraw as much as you want. If the status is orange, that means that there is a limit. The balance on the admin side is less, and if it is red, that means that the balance is very low on the admin side, but I want to request my withdraw of Bitcoin, and the minimum required the minimum required amount to withdraw is 250 satoshis. I have 1249 satoshis, so I can request my withdraw. The balance on the site is full, so I will request my withdraw to micro wallet. So I am choosing micro wallet, and then I will hit the withdraw button. Here you can see it asks me to where I want, so it has the option of Express Crypto and Faucet Pay. It requires the amount to withdraw. So let me choose the blockchain and check if, and so here is the option of Coinbase. I wanted to request my withdraw on Coinbase, so here it is. You can request your withdraw to the direct blockchain address or to your Coinbase address. I am gonna request my withdraw to Coinbase, and I am gonna request 1200 satoshis. So here it is. Please verify your withdrawal address. In case that address details are incorrect, your funds will be lost. It would be impossible to recover the funds. So you have to add the correct address on this side, otherwise your balance will be lost. Let me check my address. Base, I have choose blockchain, withdraw, and from here 1200, from here Coinbase. So it is saying that there is no fees, zero fees on Coinbase, and I will receive the complete 1200 satoshis. My account of Coinbase is added, and so from here I'm gonna request the withdraw, and the request made. So here we are. You can see my remaining balance is 51 satoshis. 1200 satoshis were removed from my account, and here you can see 1200 BTC was sent to your Coinbase account. I think that the withdraw is instant. Let us see. Going on to the withdraw history, and here it is. First check the pending, and there is no pending withdrawal history. Bitcoin satoshis 1200, payment method Coinbase, and the status is sent. So I suppose that the payment is instant. Let me check. It is totally instant. You can see I received a mail from Coinbase 0 minutes ago, and you can see that the 1200 satoshis were sent to me on Coinbase. Dutchy Beats just sent you 0.00012 BTC. Your transfer currency is instantly available. So here it is. I received the payment instantly. The payment was as fast as lightning. So the payments from this site will be instant. I don't know if the payments are instant for blockchain, but they are instant for for different micro wallets, including Coinbase, Express Crypto, and KS Wallet. For blockchain, you will have to check for it by yourself. So this is it from my side. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The site is really interesting, and you can earn a lot from this site. This is it. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for new videos. This is it. Keep making, earning, and thank you.